Blockchain technology. An introduction. Blockchain is considered as the most ingenious invention of this era. It is known to be invented by a person or a group of people using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. It was first created with an aim to develop the cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but since its inception, it has manifested itself into something much bigger. So what exactly is blockchain? A blockchain is an endlessly increasing list of records called blocks that uses cryptography for high-end security and are linked together to form a chain of blocks. Let us understand how the process and basic working of blockchain as mentioned below. Number 1. A number of blocks containing digital information are put together to form this chain of blocks. Number 2. Each block contains a unique hash key that keeps the information safe and secure from any external attacks. Number 3. These blocks of information are maintained by a peer-to-peer network that consists of individual computers called nodes. So what makes blockchain technology so unique and useful? Blockchain has 3 major features that distinguish it from other technologies in market: immutability, decentralization, and transparency. Immutability. Blockchain has a special property which makes it impossible to change any data stored on it, or in other words, makes it immutable. Decentralization. Blockchain is not governed by any autonomous body. It uses a network of computers to validate any transaction, making it decentralized. Transparency. Since the blockchain technology records all transactions in a public ledger, it ensures that each transaction is shared with the concerned parties. Blockchain technology is being adopted by many companies and organizations these days. To learn more about blockchain and cryptocurrencies, stay tuned with www.fintechcryptonews.com. Do like, share and comment to share your views in the comment section below.